Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install custom watch faces on your CMF Nothing Watch 3 Pro. Normally, to change your watch face on your watch, you can scroll down from the top, go into Settings, Watch Face Settings, and choose one of the 6 that you have enabled. But if you don't find them to be satisfactory, you may have some settings within them, though that may be a bit, well, not too much. So choose the one you like. But if you want a different watch face, you can go into your Nothing X app, and in here tap on Dial Gallery, and then choose one of the many available watch faces. Let's choose the Explorer. You can then tap on Use this watch face, and then you'll have to unfortunately replace one of the existing ones, since the watch can only have 6 of them inside of it at once. So let's replace one of them. It's going to then download the watch face. After which you'll be able to set it, or it should be set automatically, as you can see right now. If you want to change back from it, you can of course do it again in here, in the watch settings. Or you can change it from My Watch Face, pick the one, and then tap Use this watch face, which will change the watch face too. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.